All right, 7. Finally, a translation. So there aren't any rules for translations and dilations, or specifically, I should say, the translation itself is the rule. It's saying it's going to give you an ordered pair, an A and a B, and that A is going to modify your X, and that B is going to modify your Y through the rules of addition, right? Whatever your X is, you're going to add on the A value of your translation. Whatever your Y is, you're going to add on the B value of your translation. Right? Translating is just moving the object, and we're going to move it either up, down, left, or right by these factors. Okay. So a translation maps the point 5, -2. So that's our original, and it maps that point to this image A prime. See, I'm using notation to make it clear. So A, 5, -2, gets mapped to 0, -2. And they want to know what's the image of, and we're going to call this, even though it's the same as this point, we're going to call it B, right? They want to know what's the image of this point B under the same translation. So in order to do this, we've got an A, which is 5, -2, and an A prime, which is 0, -2. We need to find out what our translation is. We need to figure out how we got from 5 to 0. Like, what did we do? What did we add or take away from 5 to get to 0? Well, obviously we subtracted 5, right? 5 take away 5 is 0. So our A value is -5. And then for the B didn't change. Look, if it started at -2, and it's still at -2. So we added 0, right? There was no change. So here is our translation. And now we're going to apply that to the point B, right? We're going to apply that to the point B. So the way we apply a translation, we just simply add it to it. Okay? So -5 and a 0, B prime, is going to be -5. And 0 and -2 is -2. So we're left with the image of point 0, -2 under that same translation, which I'm choosing to call B prime, is -5, -2.